tao na nasa isip mo. Actually, hindi pa siya nakaka-get over sa'yo. At sa tingin ko, every time na makikita ka niya sa social media, nanliliit siya. Kasi yung ginawa niya sa'yong kasalanan ay sobrang sakit at hindi niya alam kung paano siya makakabawi sa'yo. So, if you're seeing this message around October to December, this is your love reading. I'm channeling here for all the collectives out there who's watching this video. You didn't send this message accidentally. Okay, this person took you for granted in the past, and I can see here that there is like a third party influence in your love connection. So itong tao na to, pwedeng nagayuma kasi siya, or may tao na sumira sa inyong dalawa, siniraan ka niya sa, what I'm seeing here is